Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to F6 online support program. Today we discuss science of class 7 week number 3 lesson 2 transfer of heat and today our topic is radiation. First of all we have to take a recap of previous video. In previous video we learned about conduction and convection. So first of all I have to define the conduction. Conduction means the transfer of heat through solid materials. Just like we can say that the movement of the heat through solids such as the metal is called conduction. And we also learned metals are the best conductor of heat because the heat can travel through them easily. And the bad conductor or poor conductor of heat are plastic and glass, and these are the poor conductor of heat are called insulators. So our next topic in previous video was convection. Convection means transfer of heat through liquid and gases, because liquid and gases does not conduct heat just like solid. They conduct heat in the process of convection. So we learn about conduction and convection in our previous video, and today we discuss radiation, textbook page number 7. First of all, we have studied the background that when we cook food under a grill, heat must travel downward from the heating element in the grill to the food, and this heat cannot be carried by the convection because convection carry hot air upward, and when the heat cannot be conducted to the food because air is a bad conductor of heat, so there must be another way of moving the heat to the food, and this is called radiation by the radiation. Heat travels as tiny electromagnetic waves called infrared waves, and the hot object is more infrared that emit the heat. So we have to define radiation. Radiation means emission of energy as electromagnetic waves or as moving subatomic particles, especially high energy particles which cause ionization. And we can say that radiation is the energy that comes from the source and travel through the space at a speed of light. So there is no particle involved in the radiation, unlike in the process of conduction and convection. So radiation can even work through the vacuum of space, and this is why we can still feel that heat of sun although it comes from 150 million kilometer away from the earth. And we can also define radiation as these are the types of radiation: alpha rays, beta rays, and medical X-rays, gamma rays, and neutrons. Some rays are very low penetrating power, so this just like alpha rays, they does not pass from the paper, and beta rays just pass from the paper but does not penetrate or pass through the skin. But X-rays or medical rays just pass from the paper and a human hand but does not, and pass from wood but does not pass from the cement. There are different materials and different rays and their penetrating power you can see in this picture. This is other three type of nuclear radiation, and penetrating means least to most damaging. Here are alpha rays, beta rays, and gamma rays. These are three signs. So alpha rays does not pass through paper, and beta rays penetrate through paper, and gamma rays also penetrate through paper. So, and next step, alpha rays does not penetrate through paper, and beta rays also does not penetrate through aluminum. So in third step, gamma rays also penetrate from paper and as well as from aluminum but does not penetrate through lead or tungsten. So this is the penetrating power and damage from least to most according to the radiations. Here the definition, another definition of radiation. Radiation can be defined as the energy released in the form of particle or electromagnetic waves. So we can easily differentiate that conduction means transfer of heat through the solid, Convection means transfer of heat through the liquid and solid, liquid and gases. These two methods need medium, but radiation does not need any medium. The heat travels through electromagnetic waves in form of particles. So according to radiation, our subtopic is emitters and absorbers. There are four surfaces: dull, black, shiny black, white and silvery. So according to the emission power, dull surfaces are good emitters as well as good absorbers, but they are poor reflector. Dull surfaces are poor reflector and shiny surfaces are good reflector. They reflect light in good condition. So dull and black surfaces are good emitters and absorber of heat, and shiny and white surfaces are good reflector, any bad emitter or absorber of heat. And some surfaces such are better at emitting. Emitting means giving off thermal radiation than other. Good emitter of radiations are also good absorbers. White or silvery surfaces are poor absorber of heat because they reflect most of the radiation. That is why in hot and sunny countries, houses are often painted white to keep them cool inside. And according to your book, firefighters are enters smoke-filled room by crawling on the floor. This is because smoke rises by the convection up to the ceiling. Here is convection process occur. So now we move to our test yourself. You have to solve this test yourself in your textbook. Explain why in hot countries houses are often painted white. Because you have to write the reason that because in white countries there is so many heat and paint yani white color, white paint, white color, a shining surface reflect the heat, and inside the house people feel comfortable. This is the reason of white painted houses. In question number B, on a hot summer day, the inside of a room, inside of a white car is cooler than the inside of a black car. So here is another reason of absorption and emission. Black color absorb color and white color reflect color, sunlight, heat rays. So if we sitting in a white car, we feel cool inside because white car reflect all the sun rays as compared to black car. Aluminum foil help keep food warm. This is also reason of emission and absorption. And central heating radiator work better if they are painted black. If they are painted black, they absorb sunlight easily inside them and keep the water hot. So thank you. Have a nice day. If you have any question, you may ask through our WhatsApp number. Allah Hafiz. Take care.